Hello, everyone. This is Josh from engineering. Today, I'm going to talk about the up and down linear, indirect and direct linear. So direct and indirect linear is 120 to 347 volts input for Canada and 0 to 10 volt dimming. It can do average of 1643 lumen per foot. And uplight is 30% and 70% downlight. It has a selectable CCT switch on the top. You can switch it to different CCT, both up and down, and it's per direction, meaning you can change uplight to 4000K and still keep the 3000K downlight. And it has one more switch, and you can choose to either do only downlight or only uplight. It has two mounting options. You can do wall mounted or pendant mounted with the same fixture. You need to order the mounting kit separately. It doesn't come with the fixture because you can do two different mounting options with the same fixture. It's ETL listed for Canada and US, and it's DEM location rated. And it's DLC rated, meaning that it can do 115 lumen per wattage at least, and it is FCC compliant. Oh, I forgot to mention in the beginning, if you have any questions throughout the presentation, you can ask with the chat, or you can wait till the end and I can answer your question. Here's a performance. It can go up to 12,000 lumen with the 8-foot. And this is all measured at 4000K, which meaning 3500 and 3000K could be a little lower, but it gives you the idea of how 30% up and 70% down with the lumen with each wattages. So DLC requirements is, as I mentioned, it's 115 lumen per watts. At 4000K, every length is 120 lumen per watt or over. So this is the switches I talked about. It has 3 switches. You can change to 3000K, 4000K, and 3500K, or up down, uplight only or downlight only. And the CCTs are preset at 3000K, both directions. And types of the installation is pendant mounted and wall mounted. I'm gonna go details on the next slides. Pendant mounted installation requires NLUD-PCC and the color finish, and wall mounted requires NLUD-length and WM for wall mount. Those are the mounting kits and accessories. So first, NLUD-PMC and NLUD-WMC, those are required when you are doing daisy chain. And NLUD-2WM to NLUD-8WM, those are needed when you are doing wall mount. And NLUD-PCC or NLUD-CC is needed when you are mounting on the ceiling as a pendant mount. So PCC stands for power cord, and CC is just an aircraft cable. NLUD MDPH or NLUD WPC is needed when you are doing daisy chain and also doing feeding from the middle. I'll go details after this one. So when you are doing daisy chain, most of the time you'll feed from one point and go to the other direction. And this shows how you feed from the end and it goes to the other direction with daisy chain, both for pendant mount and wall mounted. But when you have a junction box in the middle, you'll feed from the middle and to both directions. This is when you need NLUD-MDPH for the pendant mount and NLUD-WPC/20 for the wall mount. So as you can see from the picture, for the pendants, it brings down from one canopy to the both direction. But for the wall mount, since you are putting up all the linears together, it needs to route all the way to the first fixture and then route it to the other direction. We chose 20 feet because we don't know how long they will run and where the junction box is. So pretty much 20 feet should cover all max length, which is 420 watt for one single run. And that's it.